Today I'm going to teach you how to use the McDermott Jump Training cue ball to practice your legal jump shots in pool. Hey everybody, welcome back to Learn Billiards. This is Eddie Altman, PBIA instructor. Okay, take aim, line up your shot, arch up approximately 45 degrees, going to strike through the center and keep your bridge elbow tucked in. And there you go. Okay, the concept's the same all throughout. I line up my shot, I lean into it, I want to keep my chin over my cue, strike through the core of the ball. All right, we're going to try jumping from the opposite end of the table. Got my shot lined up. Going to lean into it, tuck my bridge elbow, and strike through the core of the cue ball. And there we go. On the McDermott Jump Training cue ball. I have to admit, it does what it says it's going to do. It's so easy, self-explanatory. All the markings are on the cue ball. Just follow this video along with the cue ball, and within 5 minutes you should be jumping the cue ball. And as you practice more, you'll be able to jump the cue ball with follow, with draw, and much better accuracy. And that's the key to it, because what's the point of just jumping a ball and not making your object ball? So if you keep practicing with it, it's a definite excellent tool that I would highly recommend. Thank you and see you again. And please subscribe to my channel to get more and more videos.